Good morning guys. Welcome back to our new episode in Bali. We just woke up and kita nak pergi breakfast. And hari ni second day of my football tournament. So kita ada lagi another match. But kita nak pergi breakfast dulu. Tournament start pukul 12. So let's go. You ready?
Yes, jom.
Vroom.
Vroom.
Okay baby.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are at La Brisa.
La Brisa.
La Brisa Sunday Market.
The Sunday, so we have to datang here. Although it's a bit of a rush, but later.
Cause we go dance for this moonlight, for this moonlight, for this mood. With me, and we go dance for this moonlight, cause it's mood right, for the mood. Hey, yeah. Maramide.
Full of people. Kita dekat area makanan. Area makanan dia best-best juga. Local food, western, desserts. On the right ni, pizza. Untuk kedai yang guna AI for their menu, we don't support.
Cause we go dance for this moonlight, for this moonlight, for this mood.
Just walk in.
And we go
Walk in. Depan tu ada pool and also beach.
We're going to walk towards that side.
Yes.
Maramide, Mayaramide, Baba Mide, show Baba Mide, body play.
Okay, we are looking at 130. Siap-siap nak get ready keluar. Tapi tadi kan, I ada problem sebenarnya. I nak guna suction yang boleh letak phone, boleh letak kamera, nak letak kat sini. Tapi I lupa nak beli. I'm gonna buy. But as for tadi, I just pakai tripod je lah. Tengok again, villa tour again.
Oh, panas. Tengah get ready nak pergi Uluwatu.
Saya buat apa tu?
So now, I tengah tunggu coffee. I order tadi, kenangan, before we move.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello. On the way to Uluwatu and then I order apa ni sayang?
This is avocado coffee.
Avocado coffee.
Mine is kopi gula aren.
Kopi gula aren. Apa yang special sangat with kopi kenangan ni? Kat KL ada?
I don't know, because dia macam I feel like kat KL sama je sedap, and maybe because I memang suka. I suka the gula aren. Other than that, I don't. Okay, since we're here,
Okay.
let's do what's in my bag.
What's in your bag?
Sometimes by Asian designer. So ada some of you guys tanya, like daripada mana this one. Ni baru beli suami adventure. Sebab I cakap dengan dia I nak bag yang besar sikit. So this is a bag.
Alright.
Okay, travel edition. This is not an everyday thing. So I have my phone.
Okay.
I have the dry shampoo.
Dry shampoo.
I use this one.
Why you pakai dry shampoo, baby?
Dry shampoo because I wash my hair maybe 2 days once.
Okay.
So on days that I don't wash, yang hari kedua tu,
Why you shampoo everyday je macam I? I shampoo rambut I everyday.
yes. But do you realize how long I take? Oh, okay, fun fact, kalau I shampoo my hair, I will let Adib know. Tapi I tak tahu kenapa I beritahu dia pun. In the morning, I will be like, sayang, hari ni I nak wash my hair. And then dia macam, okay. Maybe to him it's not important. Maybe it is to me. I just bagi tahu dia for the sake of telling him. So next, our passport.
Passport.
Okay.
Ada 2?
Passport ada 2. Usually memang passport I pegang lah. I have my hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer.
Have ni adik punya. I have sunglasses.
Okay.
This one I bought in Korea.
And this is mine.
Yes.
Okay, ada orang tanya beli kat mana? I beli kat Korea. Blue Elephant.
Blue Elephant. This one is not Blue Elephant. This is Moot.
Moot.
Yeah, MUUT.
MUUT. Nampak tak? I bagi je.
Macam tu je.
Macam tu je.
We have DJI punya cover. We have one power bank.
Power bank. Wajib.
Our camera.
New toy.
This is
Tunjuk
Yusuf
sikit.
Ad.
Tunjuk sikit baby our new toy.
Yes. Ada juga yang tanya pakai kamera apa, dan latest photos kita semua pakai kamera ini.
Baby tunjuk sikit gambar-gambar kita.
dalam phone ni?
Yes.
Dalam kamera?
Nak tunjuk korang lah. Sebab I pun impressed dengan kualiti.
Yo.
Kejap.
Sorry, kamu bapak I lah.
Kejap let me focus, alright. Okay. Lagi. Baby show yang ni, football semalam, I pun terkejut betapa cantiknya kualiti kamera. Okay, look. Blur code. Okay, lagi. Tengok gambar.
Dekat studio.
Cantik. Gambar kita, baby.
Oh, jadi. So that's G7X. Then,
Cantiknya rambut dia.
thank you, sir.
Ramai yang tanya.
Oh, my hairstyle. Apa nama dia?
Spill.
I really do. I pergi Bandung, I cakap dengan dia, I nak cut my hair.
So, diorang kena pergi Bandung.
You all yang nak haircut ni kena pergi Bandung. Sebab I memang tak tahu. I just cakap I nak long bob je. Dan dia potong,
Pom.
tu je. But my hair memang naturally wavy. So I think that's why dia ada wave sikit. After shampoo, after basuh rambut, I just blow pakai hair dryer je.
Okay, next.
Next we have earpods.
Earpods. Sorang satu.
Serang satu. Both pun adik punya. Dia bagi I card holder,
Holder,
compact
Zan.
powder.
Compact powder.
Sekejap, saya mati.
Kasih kata.
Lepas tu, this one.
Okay, wajib. Tu pun sorang satu kak?
Serang satu. Couple edition.
Okay, jap. Okay, couple edition.
Couple edition. This is me and this is adik. Adik punya transparent je. Mine is ada colour sikit back.
Okay.
Okay, and then I have my cute sikat.
Cute sikat.
Yes, cute sikat. Just in case I want to tie my hair. I also have a hair tie. Okay, that's it. Conclusion dia, you guys should get this bag. Because so many things you can get.
Awak ambassador?
Tak, tapi sometimes by designer. Call me. Sometimes kan? Sometimes. Okay?
Nampak? Saya cakap.
Can I retake?
Cakap ambassador.
Sorry.
So, sometime ke sometimes? I think sometime. So cerita dia hari tu, tiba-tiba Dira cakap dia nak pergi IOI. Time tu I tengah kerja, so Dira pergi IOI sorang-sorang. Lepas tu I balik kerja, ambil I daripada airport, dan I masuk kereta sebab nak letak bag kan. So I buka pintu belakang, I buka je. Besar ada bag, ada paper bag sometime kat belakang. Macam
Lepas tu ada paper bag lain juga.
ada banyak lah paper bag lain. Ada orang tu shopping.
Aduh, terkejut.
Terkejut.
Dia buka, apa ni?
Apa ni? Bag kecil I tak muat.
So we're on the way to Uluwatu.
Tu, tapi kita tak beli ni sayang. Fridge magnet.
Tak apa, airport. Sebab honestly, dekat market dia semua macam pricey.
Mahal.
So actually, I think dia untuk tourist lah. We're smart.
Let's see if we're smart or we are dumb.
We'll
Kalau
see about that. If kita desperate sangat, we'll just buy.
we'll just buy
Because we need fridge magnet.
fridge magnet, wajib.
Yeah, wajib. Jadi kalau balik, kena ada fridge magnet. Because usually bila balik unpack kan, nanti I will call adik macam, oh sayang, let's go and put fridge magnet together. So kita akan macam merasmikan the fridge magnet together. Nanti we will decide where to.
Dan semalam tu ada fridge magnet tu. Panjang ni sayang.
RM20. RM30.
RM30. Crazy.
Tak worth. Tu RM30 kalau kat Bandung dapat 3.
Yes, so conclusion pergi Bandung. Sekarang pun tengah jam lagi.
Macet. Nanti kita sampai, kita tunjuk.
Alright.
Okay.
Mana? Yeah, we baru sampai. 2 hours drive. Okay, I underestimate the traffic, honestly. Okay, we macet banget. We gerak from our villa Seminyak pukul 3.
And now it's 5 to 5.
5 to 5, crazy. 2 hours and something, but crazy. Sangat jauh. Itu pun kita naik kereta. Okay, kalau motor, tapi tak logik you guys nak naik motor. But kereta,
2 hours 20.
mem-
Hari tu we wanted to naik motor.
memang kita orang tidur. Kita sebenarnya ada plan a lot for this Uluwatu trip today. Tapi kita terpaksa cancel banyak
Baru sampai.
because we baru sampai, we baru order
Ya.
seafood, which I will show you guys later.
Sebab later kita nak kena pergi airport.
Later kita nak kena pergi airport.
So takut tak sempat.
Okay, I nak tunjuk korang view.
The view is worth the drive.
Worth the drive. Kita tak dapat table yang dekat cliff ujung sana sebab kita lambat. And this is the view. Ada lagi banyak section lain. Okay, ni nama tempat dia, Malini. Malini Seafood. Dia ada makanan-makanan seafood. Let's see. Okay. Oh, ni tempat nak tangkap gambar. Kena beratur. Cantik. It's the view. Photo view dia, baby.
Cantik.
Cantik. We are here for the view.
Main spot.
Okay. Cantik.
Look at my photographer. Kalau you guys buat birthday, dia buat macam ni. Maybe.
Hello. Tadi kita habis ambil gambar. Sekejap, I nak tunjuk korang. Hope you guys can see. Ini lah. Ini tadi. Okay, nanti I tunjuk korang. I masukkan gambar ni. Korang tengok the quality. Picture nice because my girlfriend tanggalkan.
Hey, your wife.
My wife is my girlfriend. Ramai orang tadi. Ramai-ramai beratur.
Beratur.
Oh ya, I lupa beritahu korang. Makan kat sini mahal gila. Seekor ikan RM100 Malaysia. But mungkin you guys bayar for the view lah. And kita datang pun because FOMO. And for the vibe,
Dia orang cakap no minimum spend. So
No minimum.
memang harga dia mahal lah. Because satu makanan pun memang dah berapa. So that's why no minimum.
no minimum spend. Seekor ikan RM100. But makan je lah.
For the vibe.
We already here and 2 jam setengah punya drive. Air dah sampai.
Pineapple juice and coconut.
But makanan belum sampai lagi.
View.
The view, jom. Nak tunjuk korang lah. Kat belakang ada apa.
Okay, jom.
Let's follow our host for today. Sama Dira Zaini.
Dear Zaini. So on your left, you can see the view. We wanted to duduk sini tapi tak dapat.
Ya.
Tapi tak apa.
Ke bawah ni cantik.
Bawah tu apa sayang? Oh, tempat makan.
Yes. Dia punya ni limited. So, I pun tak tahu macam mana nak reserve all this.
Dia tak
Sebab
tulis kan?
I dah tulis dekat remarks dah sebenarnya I nak lift ni.
Ni baby tengok. I
Tapi
love
still
you.
tak dapat.
I did. And these are all the tables lah.
Jom, kita tunjuk. Jalan-jalan dulu. Let's see what they have. Cantiknya. Kan best if we get this area. Tapi we tak dapat. Hey, food is here. So ni order seafood 1 juta sekarang RM230. Okay, plate ni RM230 Malaysia. Ada udang, sotong, ikan, ayam, sayur kangkung. And with the view lah. So with the view.
Part of the laut.
Betul. Makan dulu. Orang kena makan. And after this nak pergi airport dah. Yes, we are late. Not late lah. We are on time.
You're just on time.
Kita tak dapat buat a lot of things.
Okay, next time.
It's okay next time. Not bad. Oh, what?
There's another menu yang all of this without ayam but with ketam kan?
Oh, dia replace ayam with ketam.
Skip.
Kita keluar at the right time. Sebab ada monyet.
Monyet dah sampai.
Jom.
Jom.
It's time to go home.
Go
Udah.
home.
Go home. Selfie. Udah. Hello. Sampai airport. Dan pasar Bali. Tapi tadi ada orang tu tertinggal. Ada orang tu kena tinggal. Kesian dia. Kita buat scan yang auto gate tu kan. I dah scan. Lepas. Lepas tu Dira tertinggal seorang-seorang.
Yo.
Kesian dia.
Sayang.
Kejap. Kita nak
Tengok
cari
something tu.
fridge magnet.
Kalau ada lah. Kalau tak mahal sangat.
Tu dah jumpa dah. Let's see. But
Is it giving Bali vibe?
it's not nice though. Okay, ni I think you will like. No?
Okay.
Sebab it's pink ah.
Where is the pink sayang?
Ni?
Oh, okay. It's cute.
80,000.
80? Berapa?
I mean better than Labisa
Oh,
punya.
ya.
80. Scary lah.
Scary. Ini, I dengan sayang.
Cok mel juga.
Bali.
Tapi
Apa? Scary
takut lah. Ni macam
ni.
Datuk nenek.
Datuk nenek punya.
Ni.
Ni Terengganu.
Terengganu lah.
I love Terengganu.
Ni baby.
Itu cute.
I love Bali.
Okay, this one
Okay,
is cute.
this one kan?
Yep.
60 only.
Dulu kan, fun fact lagi.
In fact,
Adik pergi Phuket kan. Lepas tu dia
Alamak.
kan ambil hati I. Masa tu dia belikan I sabun-sabun ni.
waktu saya tak pakai pun.
Pakai.
Sebab saya cakap
Colour dia turun.
colour turun. Ini macam artificial.
I pakai yang papaya punya tu. Lepas tu satu toilet I jadi orange.
Oh,
But thank you sayang.
wangi kan?
Ya.
Dia tak pernah beli pun ngada-ngada je.
Dia belikan I sabun-sabun ni. Ambil hati.
Okay, we dah beli. and warna pink. I love Bali sebab Dira suka warna pink.
Yay, thank you baby.
And I rasa ni je yang paling cantik, tak banyak pilihan.
Semua macam simple-simple je.
Okay, so yang ni kita beli dekat airport, 60,000. Korang do the math, 60,000.
Hari tu kat La Brisa?
La Brisa tu
Satu,
berapa?
100 kan?
Wah, mahal gila.
Yo,
Ridiculous.
I mean 100,000 but still.
For a kitchen. Jom kita tengok kedai apa yang ada kat sana.
Hey.
Now here macam penuh dan tak menarik.
Yes.
Kita teruskan sebab I rasa ada banyak lagi kedai yang menarik.
Kat depan-depan tu.
Kita punya boarding 9:35,
What time is it now?
8:55.
8:55.
So we still have about a minute.
Minute?
Minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Are you hungry, baby?
Not really.
Not really.
Okay.
Okay lah. I'm planning to just makan simple-simple
Okay.
sebab I macam nak beli something dekat dalam kapal.
Apa lagi?
Apa lagi?
Apa lagi
Kot
saya nak
nasi
beli?
lemak pak nasi?
Okay. Okay. Suami saya suka makan dalam kapal.
Ada orang shopping.
Ni ada.
Sempat ada orang tu beli barang. Ya, kita nak cari tempat macam nak lepak lah.
Donut King. Oh, sini dah gate dia dah.
Dah.
Oh.
Kita gate berapa by the way? 7 kot
7? Mana saya yang tahu? Tu dah.
Atas 7
7, pandai.
6, 7. Okay, where to start?
We are at this cafe while waiting.
Yeah, while waiting for the
Like,
flight. Lambat lagi boarding 9:35. We still have about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And then gate pun tak jauh sangat. Okay.
Pun tak jauh sangat. So, just chilling nak minum dulu.
Minum.
So, what do you think about Bali today?
Yeah, I think it's okay. Maybe if you are more of a beach kind of person, you will like it. I like the vibe. I like the scenery. I don't do much water activities, so maybe that's why. Best. What about you, baby?
Okay, I rasa Bali fun. Best place to lepak. Okay. It's not chill lah.
It's not very chill.
chaotic. Tak sesuai untuk family yang ada anak, I rasa.
Yeah, because everywhere is packed. So macam hari tu kita pergi market tu pun ramai orang. So kalau bawa baby, very susah lah untuk baby nak tolak stroller and all that.
Crowded.
Yes.
Dan jam. Kalau you datang dengan big family or even big group yang mengharapkan kereta,
Memang lambat lah nak sampai.
Yes.
Lepas tu kalau you naik motor pula, ada juga I tengok yang bawa motor ada budak. And it's not very safe, I think.
correct. Tak recommend lah.
Yeah, not recommended. If you have a lot of time, maybe 1 week in Bali, then okay, you can spend time in the car.
Yeah.
But
Itu pun I rasa you kena pilih.
yeah,
You kena pilih which area you wanna stay.
dekat Uluwatu dan you lepak around Uluwatu only lah.
Because I dah 2 kali duduk Bali and banyak plan yang kita orang buat and end up tak jadi because of the jam.
Macam hari ni lah, our plan also.
Macam
okay.
mana. So let's say this trip you nak jalan-jalan Uluwatu, maybe you need 2 or 3 days dekat Uluwatu. Kalau you duduk macam kita orang, you duduk Canggu or Seminyak, you nak jalan Ubud lah, you nak jalan Uluwatu, memang tak sempat.
Tak ada masa. Macam
Yeah.
kita banyak spend time dekat Seminyak, Canggu area, which is not so far from the hotel, from the villa.
Betul. So tu, but then tu pun kalau Canggu, Seminyak and Kuta, tu pun you kena naik motor.
My husband bawa motor macam local. Zop.
I
Semua.
sejak dah beberapa hari bawa motor dekat Bali ni,
Laju dah bawa
Celaka.
sampai. Nah, I tanya saya nak pakai waist tak? Tak payah cakap.
oh,
Dia sampai dah.
tapi selamat lah Vivian.
Selamat.
Dia macam roller coaster.
Roller coaster sebab ada banyak bumper.
Oh,
Twing.
sakit bontot.
Sakit sangat.
Malini seafood, the food was good, cannot lie. Food was good, but very very expensive. But kalau korang datang for the vibe,
Okay.
first time for view, okay.
Also spend a lot of time there because tadi kita tak berapa banyak time, so we had to makan rush sikit.
Yeah, Uluwatu memang famous for their sunset.
Yes. Laut dia cantik.
Oh, dia cantik. Gambar dia cantik.
I like this trip.
You like?
Really, yeah.
Mana? See you guys in KL? Yeah, see you guys.
No, ngantuk.
Ngantuk. We are back in KL. Walaupun muka tengah ngantuk. It's already 2:35. Baby, wanna say anything?
No, ngantuk.
Ngantuk. My baby dah ngantuk. See you guys on our next vlog. Thanks so
Okay.
much.
Bye. Good night.